Hello everyone! Nature is full of wonders and dangers. Sometimes we witness moments so rare that they seem like a once-in-a-lifetime experience. These are the times when the power of nature creates scenes that defy explanation. Today, join me in exploring these breathtaking moments. Moments that only when witnessed with our own eyes can we truly believe in the magic of nature. It was terrible. It swept away everything in its path, even solid buildings. This phenomenon breaks all the laws of physics. It's amazing. Not exactly a miracle, but the sight was truly awe-inspiring. On one side, the rain was pouring down, while on the other, the sky remained a clear, unblemished blue. A wonderful moment, a testament to the wondrous and unpredictable beauty of nature.
Bart!
You can't leave the tree hanging like that. It looks dangerous. Everything needs to be controlled. Mac hasn't finished cutting the tree yet, and this could lead to serious risks.
It was amazing how this lightning struck the main clock tower, creating a dramatic and unbelievable scene. Terrible landslide swept away everything in its path. This violent volcanic eruption caused the underwater rocks of Ruse to shake, creating a powerful and terrifying sight. The floodwaters rushed in, submerging everything in their path. Only the houses held on, vehicles were rushing to flee, and people were panicking. Today was truly a terrible nightmare. A giant tornado is about to sweep across the highway. sky suddenly turned into a rage as giant boulders rained down like a natural bombardment. The whole space was covered in white. Trees trembled, branches and leaves broke as if they had just been through a war. Nature sure knows how to surprise. Jack Kao Vong Ruk Ro Won Luon Teng Bao Choi Twa Sang Long Lin Mo Dai Lua Huyen Ao Hiwa Tien Bien Ki Diu.
When the flood water is too strong, it can destroy the bridge.
The bottom of this pit holds a captivating beauty, but its sheer depths evoke a sense of horror and unfathomable mystery.
That's okay, it's just getting funneled in.
Yeah.
A large tornado, and this guy wants to film it.
Oh, wow. It's just insulation. I can't get the whole thing in the camera, it's so big.
Yeah.
This place is so poetic, the scenery is so beautiful that there is no way back.
A large piece of land was submerged by the river.
Look at this tree. It's not only alive, it's also leaking water like a natural faucet. Hard to believe. A waterfall of rocks gushes like water, rolling down as if the rocks are melting. This strange sight makes one wonder if nature is playing with the laws of physics.
The flood is sweeping away the house. The power of nature is scary.
This guy is lucky, but the car is not like him.
Oh my God!
The white cotton fibers you see on the ground are actually tiny fibers designed to help the pop seeds fly far in the wind. Even a slight breeze can carry them away, separating them from the seeds. What's more, these fibers are highly flammable, creating a spectacular sight when they burn. In the middle of the arid desert, where there is only sand and scorching sun, no one would expect a cold iceberg to appear, a complete absurdity. For those who love frogs, let's get ready.
Explosion under the sea. We can see the shock wave is impressive. A small tsunami looks harmless, but be careful with the big tsunami. Oh my god, that young man had a lucky escape. People were moving on the road when the big explosion happened, creating a big column of fire. Poor buffaloes were swept away by the flood.
Oh my god! The tornado swirled violently, like an angry white pillar connecting the sea to the sky. It swept away everything in its path, creating a truly terrifying scene. Huge black clouds swirled, crawling slowly across the sky like a giant beast, ready to unleash its destructive fury upon the earth. The ice block that formed an era has now melted and floated on the sea surface.
We're right on the edge. Darn.
A small tornado is enough to cause damage to people.
Look at that roof flying in the air.
The ancient tree was struck by lightning, its trunk was burning red, and large cracks appeared. The scene was both fierce and powerful, as if expressing the anger of nature. just as we imagined. In just a few short minutes, the water rose like a waterfall into a small hole.